So what's up guys? Good morning. Aaron here and it's another date trade. Today I think they just concluded the elections. So they just concluded the elections in the US. I'm sorry about that. So they just concluded the election in the US today, and guess what, guys? You got already know Donald Trump won the election, and the market has been crazy. There was this drop last night, so I don't really know why it dropped that much. So, but basically, I remember we've been aiming something on Euro USD. I told you guys was a secret, and here it is. Even though we had all this movement up, we still had our eyes on this boy here, this gap. Told you guys about this gap, how precise it is, how price loves to move towards that gap. And you see what happened. We went to this gap, then we dropped down to this gap. This is not a fair value gap, but it's a week new week opening gap, which is way stronger than a fair value gap, as I told you all. So we did have in fact that drop into the gap. So as you can see, I'm also watching um the victory speech from Trump. It's awesome. We should be expecting good price action. We should be expecting good price action since our man won the elections. So let me quickly share the link. So if you guys just joining, if you're just joining, make sure to like, share, subscribe. So go ahead and share the YouTube link. Guys, it's very quite difficult coming every day to live stream and talk because I'm not usually used to talking and trading at the same time. But because of you guys, I just have to make it happen. So I just have to make it happen. So in fact, where we're watching for Euro USD has hit our target already. So that gap, that new week opening gap, not a fair value gap. So I'm looking down. Anytime I'm looking down, I'm usually looking at my phone. Usually looking at my phone because I'm trying to share the link for the live stream so everybody can join in and nobody misses out on anything. So usually we do this by 9 o'clock. We usually do this by 8 o'clock, sorry. But today we're doing it by 9 because the time zone has shifted. New York time. They are using daylight savings time now or something like that. So there's a shift and we now have to start doing it by 8. I mean by 9 now. So I guess this will be like this till next year. So I'm sharing the live link now. So you can do the same, share it to your friends so everybody gets a piece of the action. Mm-hmm. So just give me a minute. Let me quickly do the sharing. Yeah, I guess that's okay. So welcome guys who's just joining. So sorry. So if you're just joining, you're welcome. Sorry guys, it's kind of cold around here. So let's quickly do a top-down analysis on USD. I've been you just taking some time out to wait for US to join in, but basically let's do a quick top-down analysis on Euro USD. This is the gap I told you guys about from here to here, the new week opening gap that we were expecting price to drop into, which in fact we did drop into. So which was very nice because I've been calling out that level for a long time now. So I do actually expect the price to continue lower to this point and maybe even go lower since US now, at least Donald Trump is in power right now. This is his speech. I was actually watching it before the live stream. So if I didn't have to live stream today, I would just continue watching this. So since Trump is in power now, I believe the dollar is going to get a bit stronger. So I think that's why euro dropped, and it supports our technical analysis because we were targeting that gap. So basically, I feel like we should also continue down lower to this area. If not, we'll see a good change of character. Then we'll just continue up. So we now go to the daily time frame to see if we can find something. Is it only USDPS silver bullet works on? No, silver bullet works on any pair as long as it's in the forex market. I think it works. It works even on this thing, Nasdaq on US 30. But the thing is that there are usually seasons for it for each pair. So if you want to confirm which pair is working on right now, or which of the pairs they are working, that is what you usually go gives. Like there are sometimes Euro USD to give it back to back throughout the whole week. You make a lot of money, but there are sometimes that it's gold on gold it will give it back to back, but in a week on Euro USD to just give it some time. But there's Nasdaq, there's US 30, GBP card here. I think I've tried it. You can just look at it yourself. The pattern is very easy to recognize. If you're on the 3 minutes, or yeah, if you're on 3 minutes, 15 minutes, you just put your indicator that marks out that time. You know the time now has shifted. It's no longer 8 o'clock, it's now 9 to 10. So that's why I'm here. So you know what, if you are following New York time, so not Nigerian time, so if it shifts, next year it's going to shift back to I think eight again. So there was a year where I think 2023 it was 7 till 8. That time I usually wake up very early. So let's continue the analysis basically. So if anybody has any question again, just drop it in the comment section. I'll put it on the screen and everybody we can get the answer from it. So if I get my new studio, basically I'll have another screen by the side. So I'll be able to see all the comments coming in, then have this screen. But now I'm just using one screen. That's why I don't usually see the comments on time. But anytime I see that, I'll reply you guys. So I've hit that gap. I still think we should continue lower, unless we're looking for a scalp into filling all this gap. So let's go. Lower time frame structure will basically show us what we need to do. Lower time frame will show us what we need to do. So we can see this on lower time frame. Um, No structure. You can see this again on the lower time frame. Let me check the line chart, see what's happening. So basically there is no fair value gap in here. The only thing is this order block, is this 1 hour order block. So few things that, and this low was not taken out the week, it was just like wicked. It's just like a liquidity grab, something like that. It was just wicked. It's not if the candle closes below it, I will take it as a breakout. So what I'm looking forward to now is that, okay, in the lower time frame now, maybe 15 minutes or 5 minutes, we can see something like this in the other block. If he wants to reject the other block, we'll see a structure form like this, and we'll see a shift in market structure. Then we just take it down, continue the price movement down. So that's what I feel like. That's what might happen. That's one. So let me leave it on chat so you guys can see. So secondly, there's something that usually invalidates another block for me. Is basically when it closes above 50% of the other block. So I use this Fibonacci now, zero point 0.5. I carry this to this line, I put it at zero point 0.5. So if price close below above 50% of the other block, I usually, most times, if you close any price closing above 50% of another block, it's usually, that means that other block is invalid automatically. So if I see something like that, if I see something like that, basically, other block is invalid, then I'll look for this. Let's say we get a close above 50% of the other block, then I will just look for a continuation buy. Then I will look to take it up to like 50% here, this area, or maybe this area around here, just times two, because I still feel like we are going to sell. So I'll just take it for a short, a scalp. So that's the projection. You can take your screenshots so you can reference it later. You can take your screenshots now. Yeah. So I guess you guys are done. So let's now go down to lower time frame, see what we have available for us. So let me still leave the other block marked. Let me put other block OB, other block. So some people usually just enter at other blocks without any confirmation, but I love confirmations. I absolutely love confirmations. So on the 15 minutes, I'm seeing something quite different. Let me remove this. Um, since I've already tapped into it, let me remove. Okay, let me just leave that one. I already know this is 50% of the other block. I know this is the entire 1 hour other block. Then on the 15 minutes, I'm basically seeing there's a continue like a trend downwards. Then we have a fair value gap here. Price can decide. Price can decide. If I want to take this, if I want to take a risk now, I'll basically start selling here at this point, then target lower prices at this point. But what I'm seeing now is that based on structure, you have to calm down. Based on structure, I'm seeing there's failed to form another low. It failed to form another low. That's sign of weakness. Most times, sign of weakness. So let's see. I'm still looking. I just want to see a close above that other block. Let me see if I can get a projection up. If not, I will know what kind of structure I'll be looking forward to on the lower time frame to give me a confirmation for the sell. So let me go down to the 5 minutes. Let's see what's in. We are within time. We're at time is 9:26. So yeah, let's just wait. So I'm already seeing where I can get my confirmations for sell. So if truly price want to use this fair value gap to sell, in which I doubt, if he wants to use the fair value gap to sell, I'm looking forward to all these lows taken out, like this low. Even though the low is just on the 3 minutes, I'm looking forward to it taking out. Let me see what's going on in 1 minute. There are usually some kind of crazy moves on the 1 minute, but I'm not interested in 1 minute entries unless, yeah, even on the 1 minute I can decide to use this low Once this low gets taken out, I'll look for an entry for a sell. Apart from that, we need to confirm that this is actually buying. So let me set an alert here to get notified when it's time to start looking for sales. So what about buys now? Okay, just checking out here. Yeah, see, this guy is still speaking. I'm really happy Trump won though. So obviously start seeing good market conditions. Wow, a lot of comments have come in. Uh, I deal with you guys too. So okay, you need the setup for the Fibonacci retracement. So if you're just joining, before I continue, I want you guys to share the link to your friends. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe, and the bell, that bell that YouTube put there is very important because it lets you get notified even without me sharing the link. You can get notified that it's time to join the live stream. So do that ASAP. So I will let me be in a safe position first or safe spot, then I'll open my Fibonacci so you can get my settings, and I'll tell you how I use my Fibonacci settings. So I'll tell you guys how I use my Fibonacci settings. So let me first be able to get a clean sense of the market. Giveaway they come now. But if anytime I chop loss, people will give me giveaway to like you share the loss, right? It's everybody wants giveaway. Okay, I'm looking for something that could suggest a buy. Yeah, that's just it for me. I feel like that's what I need to buy. I just need a stronger confirmation because I'm seeing things now. I'm seeing things very clearly. I can see this area as where price rejects. This could be a liquidity grab. This thing here could be a liquidity grab, but I need a proper structure on this angle to be taken out. Good structure on this angle to be taken out. Because I don't want to rush. I don't want to rush in. So that is why this 50% of this other block is a safe spot for me. It's where I will look for price to go to before I enter a buy. Whereas entering a buy here is quite risky. So let me set an alert there. Then we can go to gold to start looking at gold. So we can go to gold. You are funny. Everybody just funny, guys. So let me go to gold. Let me go to gold. Now this bad boy. This bad boy. It has been really, really messy. Damn, look at this shit, guys. Like, look at this. It just dipped into that. Like, come on. If you don't know gold and you're trading it this time, man, like, it can really mess you up. Right now, the way I'm seeing it, I'm not even feeling the vibe. I'm not feeling the vibe to trade it. I'm looking at it to sell into this fair value gap. I marked it and it went there. So the thing now is that is it going to continue into the fair value gap or it wants to start going up? So structure internally will tell us if it wants to continue. So 4 hours still doing that is weak things. I don't like weeks. Still going sideways for the past few days. If you notice, look at it. Price is not usually price is supposed to be. If you check past days, can you see that price was going up? But recently, price has just been going like this side to the side to the side, and side price action is not really predictable as much. So there are some people that thrive in that ranging market, but for me, I don't like it. So what I'm seeing now is that it could begin to sell because was taking out all this low. We closed below this low. We didn't just weak it. We closed below it. So why in a 1 hour fair value gap that was just tapped. So basically, I'll go down to the 15 minutes and look for a structure that suggests a sell for me. 100%. I could start selling here. I could start selling here and put my stop loss here. But gold is very expensive to trade. The amount that I'll be risking on the trade will be large. Even though I'm trading a $5,000 account on the prop firm challenge, it's still going to be a large amount to go in on a trade with. But obviously, this is a strong setup because I know that for sure, if we break above this high, which my stop loss is, that means I'm wrong. It's invalid. That's sure. I put my laptop on silent, so I need to be able to hear the alert. So I know for sure if we have something like that, it's invalid. It's so. But if I let's say I don't have much capital, I want to still trade gold. What I need to do is just come to the lower time frame and look for a lower time frame structure, which I am not seeing now. Mm. Go down to the lower time frame. I'm looking for something. So I'm not seeing a sell yet, and I am not willing to take a buy. So let's if we get price to go below this area, close below it, not just yeah. So let me put my alert there. So if we can close below that area, I'll look to sell it. But I'll look for a sell. If I put my alert there, then if we can go above here, let me see. Let's check what that area is. On the Let me look at the 1 minute first. Okay, it didn't close above here. Just to know of here. This is nice. Why why all of them are just they laugh? Like what's the point? Okay, is this guy that was asking of giveaway, but is this guy really asking? If I give giveaway, you will follow me chop the loss as well. But for sure, guys, I think when I request payout on the platform, I'll definitely give a giveaway because there are some people that have always been joining the live stream that always notice this guy awesome bots. Um, Obina has always been here, but he's not here today. So I'll just note you guys. Then maybe you guys will see some capital to fund accounts and all that. So let me still look at gold because I'm seeing a possibility. There are several things. There's this thing that is rejecting price here. Yeah, it's rejecting. So it could start by looking at 1 minute. All these things are just like risks to take in. Like there's this 1 minute silver bullet that I just saw. Yeah. But the problem with this is that it's not following the general trend. It can work out, but it's not just following the general trend. Mind you guys, I've not taken any position. I've not taken any trade yet. So I'm looking to take trade on Euro USD. I've not taken anyone yet. So just notes. So this could have be so you can see the alert on Euro USD as wrong. That means we have broken that high. We have closed above we have not yet closed 8 minutes before we close above. We've not yet closed. So although I think this is enough confirmation for me to start seeking buys. So we got our alert to ring. Um Go our alert to ring. We have gone above that area. We have closed above this 15 15 minutes. This thing is go. But just calm, take a chill, take a chill. I believe we should have a good clean retracement very soon. So no need to rush in. I want to be very calm, like calm, 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 calm. So while I'm doing that, I want you guys to be able to see the amounts I'm trading, the profits and everything. No, don't sell anything. No, no I've not taken any trade yet. I've not taken any trade yet. So I want you guys to be able to see the amount I'm trading and all that. So I'll quickly log into my Profem account. You guys cannot see the screen where I'm logging into the account yet, but when I'm done, I don't want the password and all to be exposed. So when I'm done signing in, you'll be able to see that. So for now, your USD has given us what we were waiting for. We just need to find an entry. It's gold that loves doing this thing where it will just start running and it will not provide any retracement. So I'm waiting for that retracement. I don't want the retracement to be too high. So that's why if I go to the 1 minute, I know I'll see entries. Like this is you see this is an entry on the 1 minute here. This gap is an entry, but wow, I don't want that up looking for a cheaper price. Like this low this 3 minutes is a cheaper price for me to go in. This 3 minutes is a cheaper price. That 3 minutes gap is cheaper. Then I'll just have to aim that area. But let me use this paper trading tool on TradingView to enter. So at least it will look somehow real and you guys will see money. While I'm doing that, I will open my this in MT5 now on the account looking for a buy. Close trade, buy market. It is too much. This looks better. So yeah, the setup is coming through now. It's going to that. I'm making $40 on my profile, but this one I don't know if it's up to 40. Okay, this one is paper trading on TradingView, so it's like a demo account that TradingView gives you. So what I'm going to enter it on my profile account. When I enter, I will show you guys. Okay, guys. Hold on. I hope nobody have entered this trade yet because I'm seeing something on a higher time frame scale. I've started to see something. Let me see. I'm seeing something. I've not closed above that other block, and there is a fair value gap here. The confirmations never to choke. That's the thing. We don't have enough confirmation. I'm going to take the risks. Shit, is it worth it? Let me check 30 minutes. Let me close this ones out. Let's see. watching something. Okay. Yeah, we could go in. Can go in. Can go in. The stop loss is at 1 point. Sorry for the silence, guys. There's a change of character on 3 minutes and a fair value gap too. That is it on USD? Are you trying to talk? Are you talking about USD? If you're talking about USD, let me check. Yeah, there is on 3 minutes. There's a fair value gap here on the 3 minutes. There is a change of character. Yup. So basically, we're doing like counter. We're trading counter like against the higher time frame trend because if you see this on the higher time frame, it looks like it could start selling from here on the higher time frame. Somebody right now could be in a sell on Euro USD from this area. Somebody right now could be in a sell from here like this, and the person will be aiming. Will put his stop loss around here. Then you aim here. You aim down there where our take profit is. But basically, I'm already. Let's see how it goes. Because this was not a proper close. Let me check out gold. You can see this is the gold trade. Although gold too, it has not given me that confirmation. I want to see a confirmation because before I can enter any trade, and then my confirmation comes after this high has been taken. I'm adding the alerts there, so that when we get there, I'll be able to know when it actually gets there. Okay, so Euro USD. So are you taking? You are taking the trade already? Are you taking a buy there or are you taking a sell there? What if this is enough confirmation on gold? What if this is happening right now is already enough confirmation for a buy? Well, I doubt. I honestly doubt. Going above this high will be my confirmation. Right now, it's quite unsafe to buy gold. Quite unsafe. So I have my levels already. I have the alert set for here 2735.647. another alert at 2722.971. So those are the two areas that I'm looking forward to for gold to break out of, that I'll look for a setup. Yeah. So I'm more like a confirmation trader because I would have actually started selling here. Like I would have actually started selling here right now if I'm not trading confirmations. But to make my win rates better and like be more confident taking in the trade, I would like to have another time frame that is in sync with the higher time frame. At least now we have the 5 minutes suggesting a sell. We have the 15 minutes suggesting a sell. We have the 1 hour also suggesting a sell. So basically, to get like a sniper entry, a clean, precise entry, I have to see a lower time frame suggest the same thing. So and that happens if this low is taken out. So that's the only reason why I will be able to, yeah, let's say even this low is already I think a valid low. So I will just wait for it, then take the sell. So nothing to worry about. Our trade on EURUSD is already moving. Good thing we didn't chicken out of it. We got in and moving profits. So let me quickly get my Profile account details. You won't see the screen right now, but when I'm done setting up and logging it on my MT5, you'll be able to see everything. You'll be able to see the profits, see the loss, and all that. Okay, sharp. So if you're in a buy, I guess you're already in profits. So if you bought already, you're in profits. Usually, if I get to what I'm risking, because I'm risking $40 now, if it goes to $40 in profit, I'll raise my break my stop loss to break even, meaning that if it goes down, I wouldn't lose anything. At that point the trade is risk free. At that point the trade is risk free. So give me a sec. So I'm back, and yeah, so we're in profits. Yesterday was a loss, Abby. I don't know. I think yesterday was a loss. It seems that all this loss and win stuff is not really my problem because I know that if I follow my rules back to back, I'll make some money. Okay, I think yesterday, what happened yesterday? This was a win, but in my phone I'm seeing a loss. How? This is weird. When was this trade open? Let me see last week. Yeah, today is Tuesday. I guess it was on Monday. Okay, yesterday I didn't take any trade. Oh, this was a missed entry. So I was supposed to take that trade. I didn't take that trade on yesterday. This was the one I took on Monday because we're at the wrong time. We're trading the wrong time. That's why I took this loss on Monday. And you can see it was a $43 loss. Let me show you guys on my phone. So sorry I've not put the buffer on the this thing. So it was a $43 loss. You can see here, yeah, 43. So that's the only trade for the week. That's the only trade for the week on the profit account. That was because we were trading the wrong time. Yeah, I'm still buying. I got a comment. Yeah, I'm still buying. So I'm still buying. That was the only trade on the account, and it was a loss. So So let me show you guys because we're trading the wrong time. That's why time is very important. So this was now the valid after we took the trade at 8 o'clock. You know we're supposed to trade by 9 o'clock. So this is the 9 o'clock setup now. Can you see it? If we were at 9 o'clock, we would have made profits. Yes, that Monday. So this one happened. The trade entry was at 9:25, but the one we got in was at 8:35. So we're at the wrong time. That's why we're seeing the wrong structure. So that's why I got it lost that day. Then yesterday was election. I was too scared to trade, but it ended up going into profit. So I just imagined I take the trade, but I didn't actually take it. So today's own is going well. It's going well. So, but even though we hit stop loss today, no problem. You can see always come again tomorrow and see what we can get out of the market. Yeah, I'm still buying. So I'm still buying. Let me get the credentials for the accounts and open MT5. So just hold on a bit, guys.
Incoming mail.
So I'm checking my alpha. I can't still find the broker. What's the name now? ACG main. Let's see. Sorry, ACG markets. No ACG markets. Okay, I've seen the account. So you guys can't actually see my screen where I'm looking at right now, but once I'm done, I'll share the screen because I'm trying to log in an account, so I can't really share the screen. If we get hackers for this place, so to be safe, I'm doing it on another screen. So, but once I'm in, I'll show you guys. Get the password. What's the problem now? I have invalid password. So, what screen are you guys even watching right now? So, okay, you can see that gold is going back to that. It's going to that our alert level, while USD is still moving in profits. While USD is still moving in profits. So sorry, let me still try to log in the account because I saw they said invalid password. So I'm still trying again. ACG Markets, that's Alpha Capital Group. That's the prop firm I'm using. They're very reliable prop firm. They do not deny payouts. They do deny payout, but I've never heard where they denied somebody his payout. So after trading with a prop firm, they do a profit split. So when you request a withdrawal, so some prop firms are just evil and they will just After you have passed the challenge and all, time for them to pay you now, and they'll just deny you your payout, so which is bad. But Alpha Capital Group is trusted. Even the time that I told you guys that they went down, the account is failing to log in. I don't know why. So we have the alerts ringing on gold. I don't know if you guys can hear the alerts. I don't know, sure. Well, this is the area I told you guys about. That's the load that has been taken out right now. We are. I told you that it's possible for us to start selling here if I wanted to sell aggressively, but I want to see a confirmation. So, which in fact we are getting that confirmation, but the confirmation has not been confirmed. I need it to close significantly. So I'm setting that alert again. I need it to close below that. It's still going. So I need it to close very well, not just that kind of close. So USD is running. USD is running. Hmm. If you want a reliable broker, check the description. I put the broker, I put the prof every single thing you need is in the description of this video. So just check the description. Just check the description. You'll be able to see of this video. You'll be able to see everything I'm using. And if you use the link in the description, you are getting discounts on everything. So that's just it, very simple. I just made everything easy for you guys. I don't know why this thing is not logging. It doesn't want to log in on my laptop. I've tried, I'm trying and trying again. ACG Limited. Then the server is ACG Company ACG Limited. Server is ACG Market, ACG Main. Correct now. The password. Okay, shit. I changed the password. Oh, I changed the password. I remember I changed the password. I changed the password. They gave me and they told me to change the password at that time. So, shit. I hope I remember it. So sorry. You guys should just be observing the chat. If you see anything, you let me know. So I don't know. Should I leave it on gold or should I put Euro USD? I guess you can go that as wrong alert again. I'm getting notified on my phone. You can see just as we predicted. Let me leave it here. Let's see if we can get that retracement to around maybe the fair value gap there. Although I'm already in a trade in Euro USD, so I'm not allowed to take any other trade. So we have not stick closed. We have not stick closed. All this one is just weak. I need this 1 minute, this freaking candle to close. I need it to close. Like all these things are deceiving you. Is price is going up. This is the main move. We needed to see this. So I need it to close. So I don't know. What's my network bad or okay, I've left it on gold as requested. And let me see if I can remember the password for this my account. I think that was it. Okay, yeah. So I've logged into the account and I'll share my screen very soon. Let me set the auto scroll. Share my screen very soon. Wow. Okay, so this is gold now. So let's see if we can find an entry. Although I'm not going to enter this trade, so I'll be entering at that fair value gap. Yeah, I'll be using this demo account on TradingView, but because I've already entered on my profile on this thing in yeah. So this one now I can't enter. I'm not allowed to enter two trades at the same time. I'm not allowed to. That's my rules I set for myself. So I don't know if your rules are different or if you even have rules at all. See, trading view they allow you to enter any ridiculous amount. So you see, I use $87 million to enter. So let's just play around with it. Let's just play around with it. So I don't know. I think I should close it and enter with a more realistic amount, even though it's demo. So let me drop it down a bit. Or is it tracing further? Is it tracing? Mm, let me enter with a more realistic amount. $200. This one still looks somehow. Let me use 90. Okay, I think this looks better. So we have a stop loss of $700. Then we have a take profits of 700 times 2 is 1,400. So I'm putting it at that load here, which is $1,600 take profit. So we're at $4 minus 9. So let's just play around with it. Whoa, USD is back to our entry, which is not good. Okay, okay. There's still some areas that it needs to fill out. There's still some areas. This is a second chance to go in. That fair value gap is another chance for anybody that miss. So hopefully we do get price to go down. If it goes below this low, you're wrong. It was not going to buy. So simple as that. Don't over stress, don't overthink. We shall know that over 10 trades, over 20 trades, if we follow our risks, if we risk what we say we're going to risk, if we target our profit that we're supposed to make, over 10, 20 trades will be profitable. So this one individual trade doesn't matter. It doesn't determine you as a trader. So just watching. Let me check if there's any comments on Pips King Academy. I think you're just joining, boss. If you're just, I've never seen you on the live stream before, so I'm recognizing you and welcoming you. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, yeah, and turn on the bell icon because we don't just live stream. Yeah, talk about a lot about forex, a lot about tech, online businesses, self-development, so many things. If you check out the channel, so many things that you can learn from. Even this profile account I'm creating, I'm documenting it. Every single trade I'm taking on it, the weeks, and everything. So Pips King, you can, you're welcome. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so we can, so you'll be part of the family. And if you check the description, you see my WhatsApp number, so you can always send me a DM. So I think that's it. Yeah, so the guy said if you are trading demo, if you are using demo account, you can sell gold. So yeah, because me, I'm not selling gold on my live account. I'm trading Euro USD. on my profile account. So let's just see how everything goes. Let's see how it goes. Let me. I have some messages. So what do you guys want to see? Which pair should we analyze? While while this one is going to our take profit or stop loss, which pair do you guys want us to analyze? Drop it in the comment section. Pips King, if you are still there, you can let us know the pair that we should check out. Anybody, any ideas?
Talking about this spike content, what about someone that inspires the develops maybe 2026? Do you also buy the accounts? Like now, the person that loves your sites, or the person wants to do they don't that when it has been transferred to the main already. Now, what if the person wants to save buy you should make it to the password to the practice to buy the account.
Okay, so somebody sent me a voice note concerning something I posted about buying of cryptocurrencies and Picoin, especially Picoin, because basically the Pi coin, most of you guys know it. Yeah, most of you guys already know what Picoin is. I think some of you even try to farm it or what they call it, mine. I think that's the word they use. So, and it has been, I think it has been 5 years now, and there's nothing to say about it. Like, there's no listing on any blockchain. The thing is that I did my own research about it, because this channel is not just about trading, it's about tech and anything that can make you money online, basically. So I did my own research on the Picoin. I found out that I saw the owners themselves on different meetings. They asked them the same question: what's going on with this you guys coin? What's really happening? Are you guys actually planning to list? Are you guys planning anything? So basically, they said that Picoin is basically different from the rest. Yeah, that is different from others cryptocurrency. This one, they are not. I don't think they are going to list it on all those platforms. They want it to be like used, so they're still trying to find a use case for listing for the coin. So like buying of stuff in their on their platform and the rest. So they're still trying to find a way to use it. So they're still trying to find a way to like use the coin and all. So that's why they have not listed it or anything. So that means there's no way for you to actually sell it on any exchange. So, but there are people that attach value to it. They feel like maybe once they list it, eventually, although nobody knows, even the owners don't even know when they are listing it. So eventually, once they list it, it's going to be worth something. So the community are the ones now buying it. So you can actually sell it. So I do actually buy it as well. So I buy it not to keep it because I don't really see any potential in it because it has been very long. So I'm buying it so I can sell it off to other people that are willing to buy it. So if you have the coin, you can DM me, then I can get it bought from you. Or if you have your friends, you can also refer them. Then you get a commission from that as well. So that's just it. But the guy basically asked me if they are buying the account. If I usually buy the account. I don't know about buying the account basically. I don't know about buying the account, but I'll update you guys if you send me a WhatsApp message. So Euro USD is going well. Let me share my screen. So you can see the whole of my screen now. You can see we're in $7 of profit here. This is the account. This is the MT5 on my PC. This is where we bought. I told you guys that you could see every entry here. So our stop loss is in place. Take profit is in place. We're looking, aiming this point as our target. Then these are our stop loss. So anyhow it goes, we are going to be okay with it. Anyhow it goes, we're going to be okay with it. So hopefully we get up to there. Yeah, so that's just it on the account. So gold is moving aggressively. Gold is moving aggressively against the fake position we put. So you guys have seen the account. This is the account, $3.2 profit right now. Then the stop loss is around, yeah, the stop loss is $39.5. The take profit is at 93. I want it to be like at 80 because I'm looking for times two. So I'm putting the take profit. Okay, take profit right now is at, you show it now, it's at 75. So maybe let me just leave it at this stop because I feel like price will go there. So that's it. I think that's all you need to see there. So as I said about the question somebody about asked me about buying buy coins, yes, you can sell your buy coins to me at a very good rate. I will just sell it off to somebody else as well because I'm not holding it. I don't believe there is much potential to the coin. So that's the reason why I'm not holding the coin myself. My Euro USD is moving very slow. Come on now, give us something. I don't like this slow movement. It's already 10 o'clock. I think we spent up to an hour here. An hour and 3 minutes. Today has been very interactive. Today has been very interactive. Uh, Today has been nice. Let me do a quick screenshot. Window shifters. So we've already entered the two positions. Yeah. So there's nothing much to talk about again. We're just waiting to see how everything plays out. So nobody suggested any pair for me to look at. So that's why yeah, that's why I'm not looking at any other pair because nobody suggested anything in the comment section. So I believe that will be all for today. We stayed for very long today. We stayed over an hour. So those that stayed this long, yeah, good job. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or in the or in my WhatsApp. Hope you enjoyed the live stream. If you did, make sure to click the like button. Euro NZD really you're coming to say Euro NZD at the end. Okay, I'll look at Euro NZD real quick. Let me share just the screen for Euro NZD. So just hold on while I get. So I'll look at Euro NZD as requested very quick because our time is fast spent. So our time is fast spent. Okay, so I'm sorry. I'll look at Euro NZD real quick. So Euro NZD. That's Euro NZ NZD. That's I guess in New Zealand dollar. Aussie. So I like to open all these things on another tab. Yo, and I forgot to mention the registration for the November mentorship has started already. So any of you that is interested in taking your trading journey, your trading skills to the next level, can send me a DM and get registered. So real quick, just hold on. I want to do something on my phone. Then um just hold on. Sorry, let me quickly do this on my phone. Then sending some funds to somebody. Okay, so that done. Let me get over to UNZD. So UNZD, you know what we usually do? Start from the weekly time frame to get the bigger picture. Wow, this is terrible. Like the way it has been ranging since June, it's crazy. I don't know why. Why will the market be ranging since June? Doesn't really make much sense. On the weekly time frame though, that doesn't mean you can't find setups on the daily time frame, but it just makes it harder to know the to get a long move. You can't really swing this pair now. You get stopped out so many times. So what we're going to do, we're just going to look for a smaller time frame entry. So that's the daily time frame. That's the daily time frame that we have on Euro NZD. You can see the daily time frame is bullish. Even a trend line person will see this. Somebody that trades trend line will see this as bullish market and will wait for price to react off his trend line. Yeah, the person might even start buying at that trend line. But we're not trend line people, but we know we still have ideas. So let me check what I usually check for fair value gaps. There is a tiny gap here. So I just see it as place that price could reach. So it could reach there. There's another one below it as well. Another fair value gap. Another fair value gap that price could reach. So let's just see those now. We'll just have those ones in mind. Then we can see price already going there. It's going there. Still very bearish. It's still very bearish. So I'm thinking when we reach all this fair value gap, it will start rejecting off the fair value gap because of this trend line and all. So it's just like introducing all these retail concepts, but still like smart money, you understand? So we might reach those place. So but basically I don't like trend lines. Let me remove it. Let's just continue. So we have those in mind. We go down to the lower time frame. Remember, we're just trying to find a quick move. So we'll see a retracement on the 1 hour. Go down to the 15 minutes. It's still retracing. Still retracing. We have our targets lower. Price is bearish. So we're looking for sales, no doubt. So but what is going to make us what is going to make us to start looking for buys? That's one thing I like to look out for as well. So if we can get price to go above this place or 15 minutes, 50% of that block, I think we can start looking for buys, quick buys, yeah, something like that. But this is the strongest point that I would like to see price take out before I look for buys. But this area too as well. But for now, it's just sell anything that suggests they sell. So what suggests they sell? We're late already. See, there was a setup at 8 o'clock. Yeah, we could have taken. It's very like that one was super clean. Even at let me put Nigerian time so you guys can see what I'm telling you about. So we're late to the pier. That's just it. Let me put Nigerian time. Check out what your is using. Check out what gold is doing. So gold is moving in profits on. So we're late already. There was a setup at 8:54. This other block would have stood at that other block. Let's say you missed it because basically we had the market structure shift or change of pattern. Okay, it's going down. Then there's still another retracement. You can go then you can just like it's going down. Then there's a retracement into a fair value gap again. So you can see the fair value gap here. And this would have been our silver bullet at 9:54. This would have been our silver bullet. That's one, just one. I've seen another one. I'll show you guys. So inside that fair value gap would have been our entry. So we would have already gotten up to three. Right now it's at three. It went up to like 3 weeks to reward ratio, 3.8. But we usually in for two would have been out since. Let's say okay. Let me put out the this is the time. So you see that was one silver bullet. Let's say we came a little bit late. There's still another silver bullet. Let me show you guys. Some of you that can already see it, or if you pause the video, maybe you'll be able to see it. You can see we have that first one. It goes down again. It retraces into what? Another fair value gap. And this fair value gap formed when? What time? This is the gap here. It formed at 9:18, which is in our silver bullet time. So that guy that was asking what that silver bullet works on other pair, of course it does. So 9:15 it formed there. We would have just put our entry at that fair value gap, put our stop loss above this high. You can even put it above that high, depending on how much you're risking. Then you could have aimed times two. It went more than times two, so you would have been out already without stress. You're already out. But now there's no fair value gaps along here that we can use to enter again. So that's why it's very. I'm still trying to find where would be a good spot to enter. Maybe this block here. But you have to go on the 1 minute to see structure shift there. You have to see a structure shift here. But if your trading view allows you to go to the seconds chart, maybe on the 15 seconds you will see a 15-second structure shift. Then you see, can you see that it's already rushing? It's already going down. It's already going down at that point. So you can see how our analysis are so precise. Can you see that? Like I just told you guys that you could enter off that block. You can see it, and immediately it got that. Immediately it just started rushing. So that's why trading around this time, silver bullet time, is just like it's very clean. Price action is very clean. It just gives you what you want and you just take it. That's just it. See gold is giving us profit. NZD, I think NZD is looking nice, like clean. Even though we had the ranging on the higher time frame, we were still able to see multiple setups, three setups at a go. So let me even check yesterday. Let me see if NZD that same. Let's see if we had something yesterday. Okay, so I could see a fair value gap here. Just you see that there was no fair value gap between this is 9 o'clock, this is 10 o'clock. There was nothing like that. But see later on, So we would have not taken any trade from 9 to 10, but we would have seen an entry at 10:36 for a buy. Stop loss will be below this low, almost getting stopped out though, but you would have still made profit if you manage the trade well. If you manage the trade well. So it's very clean. I think very clean. NZD2 is okay. NZD2 is okay as long as you can read price action. As long as you can read price action, I think everything good. Gold too is moving nice. So let's just see how today goes. I really don't care if it's a loss or if it's a win on Euro USD or gold. As long as I keep showing up every day, keep doing the thing, no problem. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you're just joining. Make sure to make sure to subscribe, make sure you share it to your friends. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. You can also send me a DM on WhatsApp. Plus private mentorship, as I said, the registration has started already. So you can just send me a DM if you want to get registered. Let me drop my WhatsApp number in the comment section. So today has been the longest I've spent on the live stream so far. Let me do a quick screenshot again. Okay, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.